In this video, I will show how to set up a Minecraft server in just 5 minutes. So first, join my Discord and on Show All channel and go to MC Stuff and React if you complete goal. So I will give link to download after download, go to your server panel and upload if you have limit, so you can use SFTP after uploading. Go to File and Unarchive. After that, start and copy the IP and join. You can see I have join. To get op, go to console and write op, your username after now. Time for server tutorial Discord. YouTube AFK. And this is AFK area and use /spawn. To come in. Spawn and PV Perena and RTP and more you can upload and try. Thanks for watching and share this video and comment and subscribe.